Imagine driving a Formula One race car at 300 kilometers an hour, lap after lap, pushing the engine to its limit, but refusing to ever pull into the pit stop for an oil change. On the factory floor, manufacturers do the exact equivalent every day. They run multi-million-dollar pieces of equipment to the point of mechanical exhaustion to keep up with tight production schedules and client demands. The result is breakdown maintenance, a scenario where a critical machine dies suddenly right in the middle of producing an urgent order. This physical failure triggers an immediate financial hemorrhage. Production stops, workers stand idle, and revenue bleeds out while waiting for a repair team to arrive. At Siam Metal Press, an automotive parts factory, the primary engine of production is a massive 800-ton metal press. It suffers mechanical failures 3 times every month. Because of these failures, their overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE, plummeted to 40. As the breakdown counter ticks upward, the factory generates waiting waste, paying idle workers to watch a broken machine. A deep diagnosis reveals the breakdowns are actually driven by the cultural divide of "I operate, you fix." In this environment, operators believe their only job is to press buttons while ignoring grinding noises or oil leaks. Meanwhile, the maintenance staff stays in a back room, waiting for a catastrophe to occur before they intervene. When production workers and maintenance crews operate in hostile silos, the machinery is mathematically certain to fail. The systemic antidote to this divide is total productive maintenance, or TPM. This strategy aims for the 3 zeros: 0 breakdowns, 0 defects, and 0 accidents. These 3 targets lock into a single core of 100% efficiency. Achieving this requires management to train machine operators to act as the primary care doctors for their own equipment. TPM dismantles the traditional division of labor, making the health of the machine a shared responsibility from the shop floor to the executive suite. Siam Metal Press applied this through Jishu Hosen, or autonomous maintenance, a 4-step intervention designed to catch mechanical decay at a microscopic level. Step 1 is the realization that cleaning is inspection. Siam shut down their 800-ton press for a deep clean, forcing workers to physically touch every part of the machine. This reveals anomalies that were previously hidden under layers of industrial grime. During this first clean, Siam's operators discovered 5 missing nuts and a frayed hydraulic belt that were the actual drivers behind their constant breakdowns. Step 2 involves eliminating contamination sources. Instead of mopping up a daily oil puddle, operators investigate the root cause and permanently seal the leak. Step 3 uses visual management tools, like painting match marks on crucial nuts. If a bolt vibrates and loosens, the red line breaks alignment, providing an instant warning. For larger threats, Step 4 uses a tagging system. Operators attach a red tag to major mechanical risks, instantly alerting a specialist technician to intervene before the part fails. This system transforms the maintenance department from exhausted firefighters into proactive engineers who focus on long-term prevention. Executing these 4 steps intercepts the chain reaction of failure in its infancy, making catastrophic breakdowns avoidable. Following the intervention, Siam Metal Press achieved a remarkable 6-month streak with 0 breakdowns. The financial impact was immediate. Their OEE score returned to a world-class 85%, while emergency repair costs dropped by 80%. This turnaround succeeded by applying behavioral psychology to a mechanical environment. Most people check the tires and oil on their own cars because they feel a sense of ownership. TPM instills that same protective care in a factory setting, encouraging workers to value their tools. Efficiency relies on this human culture of ownership. It proves that technical tools are only as effective as the people who care for them.